Wagwan, my people, good morning. Bless up on yourself. Give God thanks for life, health, and strength. And you don't know, this morning, I'm going to boil some porridge. Yeah, man, but I'm going to use plantain, carrot, oats, and cornmeal. Yeah, man. For powerful recipe this porridge, named the powerhouse porridge. This do a lot of things for me, you know. This, yeah, man, you see it? Oats, cornmeal, carrot, and green plantain. Trust me, people, man. If you don't want to try this, you'll never regret it, man. This is the porridge me drink. More time. Yes, man. So now just stay tuned. Watch what I go on. I go throw it in the blender and give it a blend. Alright, so now just watch what I go on. Some people are going to say, boy, no blend the cornmeal, but me I blend everything together. Alright? Yeah, man. So now watch what I go on. Alright? I will add some water to it now. Yeah. And then you give it a blend. Then I go set on the pot with the water and the coconut milk in it. Me a boil a porridge are different, you know, so just watch what I go on. Alright, fully active. I'll give it a blend, you know. Yeah, man. Alright. Alright, see it now, water hot and thing, so I'm going to add in little nutmeg, yeah, just a little. Yeah, man, if you don't know, we in Canada side and something, you go to the store, you don't get the nutmeg itself, yeah, you get the powder, you see it, same with the cinnamon, yeah, something you don't get no cinnamon leaf, nor no cinnamon stick, they have you with cinnamon powder, so add in a little cinnamon powder now, right? Yeah, man. Then I go add in a little salt. See there? That amount is alright for me. I don't want not plenty salt in it. Alright? Salt. You can even drink this porridge fresh also without no salt or sugar. You don't know, you have some people diabetic and maybe they want to try it. Yeah, man, you up to them. Then I go add in coconut milk. Alright? I'm taking me a boil of porridge a different, man. Watch what I go on. See what me I say? Yeah, man. Alright, I go add in my mixture here now. Yes. Yeah, man. See it here. Alright. Me add it in now. I go and give him a little stir. Then start boil up. Then don't know anything. Yeah, man. Trust me, people. Yeah, man, a powerhouse porridge, man. What? Cornmeal? How you say, man? Plantain? How you say, man? Carrot? Trust me, man, a powerhouse porridge, this, man. Alright, people, see it now. Yeah, man. It boil up now, so I just turn on the stove a little. Just give it a little cover, because you don't know. I now cover it fully, because I don't want it boil and spill over. Alright, so this alright. Yeah, man, so watch what I go on. See it here, fully active now. So I'm gonna add in little vanilla in it now. Yes, see it here. But that is the amount me I use. Yeah man, that. Alright. Yeah man. Fully active, you know, people. Porridge almost ready, you know. Yeah man, porridge almost ready, man. See how pretty? Yes, I. Then now, I'm gonna add in this amount of sugar, alright? I use some white sugar, so see it there? Yeah man, no more sugar neither. This is the amount I am using. I not add no salt or nothing to it. I done put salt in the water already, so that amount of salt is good enough. Yeah man, with this amount of sugar. Right? But you don't know, you have some people like them porridge sweet. Then can go ahead and add in sugar and salt to them taste. And if they want to add in condensed milk or evaporated milk, it's up to them, alright? But at this straight coconut juice, we use, alright? So you don't know people, see it here? Fully active, man. So I'm gonna make him stay there and go on boil a little more. You don't know I hit that. Alright, yeah man, see it here. I'm gonna just take a little and go test it and come back. Alright. Yeah man, me go test it, man, people. It boil and it no short and nothing. Just the right amount of salt me had to eat with the sugar and things are fully active, man. Trust me, man. Fully active. With powerhouse, porridge, carrot, plantain, oats, cornmeal. Yeah man, fully active. This porridge, yeah man, you can have it with your crackers or your bread. You don't know. So see it, my people, serving my porridge with 2 slices of bread. You can add your crackers if you want. Yeah man, fully active, man. So no don't know, so you're going to powerhouse porridge now. Oats, carrot, cornmeal, plantain. You don't know a thing, man. So bless up on yourself, you know. Peace. I'm out.